Good day, class. Today's class will be interesting because we'll be solving some problems on JAM and what they use in testing our knowledge as it regards motion problems. In case you need our physical presence for us to train your word, or you are watching directly my page, this is the time to call the number on the screen for an online training, or you want to visit us physically and have our JAM class with you. The address is 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. We are located right in IKORODU. Let's start with this question. Or you want to visit us online, our number is displayed on the screen. Or you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the time to do so. Let's start with this question. If a car starts from rest and moves with a uniform acceleration of 10 meters per second square for 10 seconds, the distance it covers in the last 1 second of motion is, so we are given the option, we are asked to do that. Don't forget, this body starts from rest, signifying that our initial velocity is 0. And we're asked to calculate the distance it covers in the last distance. So the equation of motion for distance, which is the second equation of motion, is S equals to UT plus half AT squared. Since the body is starting from rest, U will be equals to 0. So our distance will be half AT squared. But we're asked to calculate the distance is covered in the last 1 second. Means the distance is covered in 10 seconds minus distance is covered in 9 seconds. That is the distance it covers in the last 1 second. So let's substitute this time here. So if you did this very well now, we have S is half A. Our time for the first one, T squared, that's for 10 seconds minus time, T squared for the 9 seconds. So let's finish it up. We have half, our acceleration is 10, that's 10 meters per second squared. Time here, that's 10 squared minus 9 squared. So if we do that very well, we have half of 10, that's 100 minus 81. So let's do it here. Half times 10. 100 minus 81. So that will give you half of 10 times 19. So 2 here 1, 2 in 10, 5. 5 times 19. That's 95 meters. So our option here is 95 meters. So I hope you have gained something in this video. But to test our knowledge, if we truly understand what JAM really tests on, let's see this question. A body starts from rest and moves with uniform acceleration of 6 meters per second square. What distance does this cover in the 3rd second? Let's see our understanding of the topic. Bye for now. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube video, quickly go there and subscribe. Taiwo Michael Doable. Bye for now. See you in my next video. I'll be dropping my cutting here. Bye.